Hola, I am Michelle, and I'm passionate about teaching Spanish because I've come to realize that open doors to a world rich in culture, history, and connection. I am originally from Ecuador, but now I am living in Vancouver, Canada, as I have become a private tutor of Spanish and I have been teaching it as a nanny Spanish to the two little kids, one 3 year old and the other one 6 year old. I have learned and I have been very excited to see how my students and become very excited in how they've discovered new words, phrases, and just the beauty of Spanish speaking cultures. Spanish is about personality, it's about learning, and it's about opening the experience of one of the second languages most spoken in the world. I believe that a language bird, I can contribute with my experience and creativity for this platform that also values personalized engaging instruction. The fact that I'm from another country living in an already English speaking country, I believe that I can be a great asset to you. Teaching Spanish isn't just about a language, it's about building confidence and fostering for learning. I'm thrilled of joining you and helping students embark on their own Spanish learning journey. Gracias.